A series of masterclasses for aspiring filmmakers, producers, and scriptwriters will take place at Z Square Banquet in Panjim on November 25th, 26th, and 27th. The session will feature renowned industry experts, including Sharik Patel on November 25, Naveen Bhatt on November 26, and Rajesh Krishnanan on November 27. MLA Dilala Lobo encouraged everyone, regardlessly of their involvement in film industry, to attend and support the growth of Konkani cinema, stressing the importance of nurturing local talent and promoting regional films.
Come and watch the movies being produced and directed, and where our Goan actors and actresses are there, the cast and crew from Goa. So येयात आणि तांकां मोटिवेट करात. It's a good, I mean the whole world is coming here to watch the movies. The best of movies from all over the world are being screened here in Goa, in Panjim. So please come. Besides here, Inox Panjim, Inox Porvori ha, Inox आमचे हांगा Margaon they are being screened, in Ponda, Z Square. हांगा बऱ्यांतली बरी पिक्चरां स्क्रीन जातात. येयात आनी पळयात. Besides that, there are open screens at 3 places in Miramar Beachar, with a beautiful ocean, sea at the side of you. At Vagator helipad beach area, थंयसर जाता. आनी आमच्या मारगांव रवींद्र भवन ओपन एअर, इट्स फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट फॉर यॉल. आनी बऱ्यांतली बरी जगांतली पिक्चरां जेन्ना गोंया येता, आमच्या गोंयकारांनी हेचो फायदो घेवंकूच जाय. Come with your family, your friends, and enjoy the best of IFFI happening right here in Goa. Besides this, now on 28th will be the closing ceremony in the stadium, Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium. आमच्या DB Bandodkar groundacher, I mean there is a stage where entertainment, best of entertainers will be there. There is food, there is everything happening there. Come and enjoy the place. Besides that, आमच्या ESG बिल्डिंगाच्या फुडल्यान बरी स्क्रीन घातलेली आहा आनी बरे आय मीन स्टेज घातलेली आहा. थंयसरूय एंटरटेनमेंट आसतलें आनी थंयसर स्टॉलां घातलेलीं आहा. Come and please be a part of IFFI. Besides that, we are having भोव करून आमच्या गोंयच्या तरणाट्यांक आनी एवरी वन फ्रॉम गोवा हू इज इंट्रस्टेड in making films or directing it, or wants to know something about film making, तांकां मास्टर क्लासीस आमी हांगा आमच्या Z Square हांगा we will be holding it on 25th and 25th, 26th, 27th. Hanga yeoche. Timings will be told on 25th at 4 p.m. Is the master class. 25th again 6 p.m. On 26th 5 p.m. 27th 5 p.m. आमचे Z Square थंयसर येयात आनी be a part of it. Learn something. And I am really, really grateful to our Honorable Prime Minister for giving Goa a chance.
Newer generation people with likes of Nirain Bhatt, who's written Stree 2, Bhedia. Last 2 years he has impeccable work line which we can talk about. Also people like Rajesh Krishnan, who's just given a hit in Crew with Kareena Kapoor and Tabu. And he done a very famous web series called TVF Tripling, and he had also done a movie called Loot Case with Kunal Khemu on Hotstar. So we with them, with Sharik Patel, who was the former CEO of Z Studios, with them we are trying to bring the exuberance of youth also with experience of the studio people. So this is what we are doing here, and we are also building a film institute in Goa. Hopefully by next year we'll be up and running for that also.